Alright, we out here at the junkyard checking the shit out, looking for turbo for his car and the engine for my car. Hey look, there's Liz's truck right there. It's all fucked up. Hey, look at this. This is the same truck I got my brake pedal out of. No, it's not. It's still there. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting some body panels off of a truck like this so I can do whatever. Yeah, but right now I'm gonna look at the cars. Looking for a 2.5 turbo over here, or a 2.2.
Might as well look around the truck section.
Yeah, we both have a truck we're working on. What was that? That ain't no power stroke. I don't want that. Check this out. I found this 94 F350, no engine or transmission in it. Probably put to good use. It's a crew cab. It had the lame mirrors on it. It's a crew cab long bed, and it makes me just wanna. I'm recording the YouTube video. Boy. Yeah, this is my favorite Ford truck. I don't care how old it is. It's got this body style. It's got the. Oh my god, I don't want that. Damn. Well, I guess you could put it back together, but 694 could have been power stroke. Damn, this thing is rusted out. Automatic transmission. Somebody been smoking. I just can't wait to get a truck like this. Not like this, because you know this shit ain't gonna work with me. But I just want a crew cab power stroke. They got a whole lot of lightning back here if you can't tell. Put the seat back, sit in it, check it out. Oh yeah. Yeah, dude. Now, this is a road trip truck. I don't like the bench seat in the front though. It's gonna be bucket seats up front with a flip up seat in the middle. And whatever else. So yeah.